first you need the stuff inside the vegetable. You need bean flour, and you need one jicama, this one, and the stuffing you need pork and shrimp. Shrimp you cut off the tail, and you get the black line in the back. You take it out. You need 1 can of coconut milk. You use any kind, but this is a coconut milk. And you need a bag of rice flour, this kind. This is 1 pound. You need corn starch. And green scallion, you take the top part. Then you mix this up. Then you put the green scallion inside. That's it. And you cover it and set it aside. Then you go into prepare the meat and the vegetable. Okay, set it aside here. Like this. Then you wash them with water, cold water. This is the name. Mix this up. To go with the stuffing meat and the shrimp, you need mushroom, the white mushroom. Then you cut it like this, you slice it. Now I will show you how to do the stuffing. To cook it, you have the pot, turn on the heat. You put oil in. Then you put the green, the white scallion in. And you put the pork in. You stir until all the meat turn white. You put half teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of Msg, pepper, black pepper. Put the shrimp in. When you put the shrimp in, you stir for about 3 minutes. Then you turn off the heat because that's it. When the shrimp turn a little bit gold like this, then it's okay. You turn off the heat. In. Pan is hot now. Then you put mushroom in. You put mushroom first. Like that. And then you put the stuff inside. Shrimp. Like that. And then you have the spoon, the big spoon. You use this one, the big one. Then you turn the pan around like this. Then you put the bean sprout and jicama in. You put it in. Then you cover. You cover it and let it cook. Then you take the cover off. Then you put more oil in here. Just put it around. Then you turn the pan around. After you turn it around, all of them are golden now. Now you take it off. You just take it like this and fold it in half. You hear the sound. And then you take it off. This is what you done. Very crispy. See? It's very, very crispy. Okay, and then you continue until all of them are done, and I will show you how to do the vegetable and the sauce to eat with it. This is my little garden. I have flower and I have mint on it. This one is a mint. You cut some. too far. I think it's enough. See, very good, and smells so good. That's my little garden. And I have a little bit here. I have more mint over here. And look at this one. They have the little one here. They have the big one here. This is a vegetable you use to eat with Vietnamese pizza or called Bánh Xèo. You have mint, you have salad, and you have cucumber. Now I will show you how to do the fish salt. The fish sauce to eat with Bánh Xèo. You use 3 spoons of sugar and 5 spoons of water. That's 3, 4, 5. Half spoon or more than half is okay. Like this. Then you mix this up. Called fish salt. Two spoons of the fish salt. 1, 2, and the garlic and the hot pepper, you cut it in small pieces. Okay, like this, and then you put it into the fish sauce bowl. After you do it small like this, then you put it in the bowl. Okay, now I will show you the way you eat. You take this one, you put into the small dish, and get a little fish sauce. Here you use the fish sauce. Then you take one piece of salad. You put the mint in. 1 cucumber. When you eat this kind, you need to use your hand, your finger. You put like this, and you put it in here. You roll it like this, and then you dip it in the fish sauce, then you eat. And another way, if you don't want to roll in the veggie, then you put it in the dish, the bowl. You put it in the bowl. And you put the veggie in with cucumber and some mint. That's it, and then you eat with fish sauce. Hope you like this one and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.